What it is, what it be, it's your girl, Unique Marie, coming back to you with another banger! Alright, y'all. So today.
You like cucumber banger! And then some. This y'all favorite.
That's their favorite or our favorite?
They favorite. And our favorite.
Well, y'all, we got them good old spaghettis cooked by yours truly, Unique Marie, the unique way. So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to our channel. Tell a friend.
I don't know why I got no mask on. But
tell a friend because we're trying to get these subscribers up to 250.
And 50 likes. And
y'all already know.
1 trillion.
Okay. But y'all already know how we do it. Once we get them 250 likes, we will be subscribers.
We're going to do a giveaway.
A big giveaway. Big. Way bigger than our first giveaway. So make sure y'all tune in, tell a friend, and let's roll them subscribers in. Mm-hmm. Let's eat.
Yeah, let's eat.
I want some.
Yeah, give them some.
Get that. Get some of that. Get some of that. That. Oh.
This is good.
It ain't nothing like homemade spaghetti.
This is bussin'. It's bussin'. So bussin'. The whole sky. Mom, what ice? That ice flow with those that not.
Cause these are stuck together. Yeah, I wanted some of that.
Yeah, y'all want some of this? Y'all want some of these butternuts and stuff? Here, get some of that. Oh, wait, some. Y'all get some of that. Yeah, we share with y'all. Yeah, we share with y'all.
Because sharing is what?
Caring.
Already, sharing is caring.
That's some juice, like God says.
I
want some more juice. Okay, get some more. You want some more juice? Yeah, get all that juice. This is bussin'.
It's good.
Excuse me. After we finish our food, we gonna get some goodies for y'all. And right there, the goodies. I have one, but they all the way down there. These the goodies. We gonna show y'all all of the goodies. These the goodies. We gonna share with y'all. These the goodies. We probably gonna cut it off when we get done.
That's the Halloween candy.
We went trick or treating and we went to my god sister's birthday. We was walking on the street and we was trying to go to somebody else and say trick. Like we was knocking on their door, and then we said trick or treat, and I got some candy. And I said, we saw trick or treat, homie. We saw Michael Myers. It was not really, just had a face mask on. But he was fake.
He was fake.
Mama, we should get some napkins before we started it. I said next. Mama, I like your necklace.
Thank you.
I like your eyelashes.
Thank you.
Mama, where you get those? Where you get those?
What?
Those.
What? Point to it.
These.
Tattoo?
Uh-huh.
Where I get it done at? Tattoo shop.
Oh. What the tattoo shop called? Tattoo shop.
Tattoo Houston.
I want this sausage. I don't want it.
You want the sausage?
Let me put it right here. The sausage is right here. Look at that.
Awesome.
What's on y'all? Y'all can have it. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Wow. How she done that fast though?
Well, oh, you done? Look, he done too. He just didn't want his sausage.
Y'all. Oh, you're still eating. We gotta wait for Leah now. I'm full.
If you full, save some for later.
I was hungry.
But you full now? Okay, well, you can put yours right here. Sit that right there.
Yay!
Don't pull everything out, but you can pull some stuff out.
I want to pull everything out.
Why?
Yeah.
And y'all candy gonna get mixed up. What do I want out of here? Should I eat these?
Yes,
No.
you can go.
I don't want to eat. Oh,
Finally, I'm done.
She ready to tear that candy open. I eat a Twizzler. These some good candies.
Yeah, those those bussin'.
They bustin', y'all
And
hear
I have some
them?
I'm putting M&M's in there.
What you want out of here,
Mama?
Noel?
In here. Y'all, nobody likes this sugar.
That's Lucas.
Nobody likes this. That's what they call. And I have some chips. I don't like these. Anyway, I like Cheetos. I ate my Cheetos all at school. I'm getting some Starburst. What's Starburst? Let me see.
Right there.
Starburst. I pour everything out.
Starburst.
My next thing is pouring there. So look at that. So I have red and yellow. I love it. I'm gonna pour all of these. Patala.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with her.
Give me away. Oh! Oh, y'all, look at it. This is so good.
Yeah, we're back to the Halloween stuff. I thought this was over. We got to get ready for Thanksgiving. You know, Thanksgiving is what it, what it say. Thanksgiving. No, Thanksgiving. It's time to give, time to be with your loved ones, time to celebrate, time to just have fun and be thankful. Tell somebody what you're thankful for. Tell God what you're thankful for. Always be thankful. Let me stop. Y'all already know. Y'all know how I can get.
I'm thankful for.
I can start with the motivational speaks.
For my mother pray for us and we be good. And get us something.
Did y'all hear him? Tell him again, son.
Why I said?
Oh, he forgot. But y'all, we thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for sharing.
We can eat it.
Maybe I can eat it. I feel like I have to. Bless me. I know I had to sneeze. I hope I'm not getting sick. We thank y'all for watching, sharing. We need y'all to comment down below. Let us know how y'all like this video. And let us know what y'all want to see us do next. Thank y'all, our unique family. We love y'all. Peace out.